Shall we start now? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, all of you. So now today we'll see what is the different problems which we are going to study while we are converting the temperature from one unit to another unit. So let us discuss now. If you'll observe carefully, so as we know that we have a three different, we have studied three different units of temperature. Can you able to say what are the? What are the?
Celsius, Fahrenheit, Celsius, Fahrenheit,
What is temperature? What is temperature? It will measure the quantity of like a coldness or hotness of a body.
coldness or hotness of an object or body, sir,
Coldness or hotness of a body, which we
of a body.
called as temperature. So let us discuss here. Hari, brother. So let us discuss here. If we take any kind of body, we used to measure basically understand temperature in the units of temperature. Units of temperature.
Temperature.
Take a units of temperature. So basically, we used to measure in degrees Celsius. What is that?
Degree Celsius.
Degree Celsius, which we used to represent as degrees Celsius, like this. Is it yes or no? Next,
Yes,
as
sir.
degree Fahrenheit.
Yes, sir.
Degree Fahrenheit, if we take, we used to represent like this. Like that, next we should represent no degree, only Kelvin. What we should represent? Kelvin. So we should
Only
represent
Kelvin.
capital K. Do you understanding? Now,
Yes, sir.
the differences between degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin scale. Understand? So if you'll observe, we have three different scales now. So first one, so let us imagine Celsius scale. What is that? Celsius scale.
Celsius,
It is totally having 100 divisions. How many divisions?
100 division.
So it will start from 0 degrees Celsius and ends with 100 degrees
And
Celsius.
ends with 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, sir.
Celsius scale. Understand? This is Celsius scale.
Yes, sir.
As well as if we take the Fahrenheit scale, what I said, Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale also it is having 100 divisions. Understand?
Yes, sir. But 32 degree Fahrenheit to 121 degree Fahrenheit.
To that
32 to 100.
212 degree Fahrenheit. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the same way if you
Yes,
observe,
sir.
understanding Kelvin scale, if you take this is called as SI unit of temperature. What we should call? SI.
Yes, sir. Unit of temperature.
Temperature.
Understanding degree Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale. Understanding this is next one is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kelvin scale. Now Kelvin scale
Kelvin.
starts with again it is also having 100 divisions. Understanding 100 divisions.
Yes,
so
sir.
I can say that what it is called
272.
273 Mari.
73. 273.
373, sir.
370.
373.
That's all.
Kelvin.
So from this I can write, understand, 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, which is equals to
Celsius.
32 degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to 273 Kelvin. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can write 100 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to how much? 373 Kelvin. Is it understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, as we know that, first we have studied, understand, relation between, understanding, relation between,
Yes, sir.
relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin scale we will see first. Understand? So now, as we know that, understanding 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius is equals to 273 Kelvin. So if you want here, if it rises, if suppose 0 will become 1 degree. So 0 degree plus 1 degree Celsius if you add, here also how much it will come? 273 plus 1 Kelvin. Is it yes or no? 1 degree. Because
Yes, sir.
yes, so which will become, so 1 degree, like that if you add 1 degree Celsius is equals to 274 Kelvin. Is it yes or no? So,
Yes, sir.
I can write the formula. Kelvin scale capital K is equals to how much? Degree Celsius plus 273. So, understanding when we are converting degree Celsius to Kelvin scale, we have to use this relation. Is it yes or no, Mari, Hari?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
for example, I have given example under this. This is imagine formula 1. Formula 1. Note
Yes,
it
sir.
Formula 1. So example, Kaushik, I have given 50 degrees Celsius. How you have to find? Which is equals to dash Kelvins. Please tell me. So nothing is there, you see. So 50 degree, what is the relation? Kelvin scale is equals
323 degrees, sir.
Yes, sir.
323. 323, sir.
73. So just
323.
plus 50 degrees
Add
Celsius.
me
How much are given? Kaushik?
23, sir.
Degrees Celsius, how much given? Kaushik. 50
Sir,
degrees
53.
plus
Yes, sir.
270.
Plus 273.
Understand? If
Sir,
we
answer is 23.
we should not keep. So we can write it 273 plus 50. Kaushik, add it and tell me. 3 plus 0, 3. 7 plus 5, 12. Understanding? And 3. So how much it is?
300, sir. 23.
323.
3 Kelvin. So I can write 50 degrees Celsius, which is equals to how much? 300.
323.
323 degrees Celsius.
Using when Mari we will use this relation when we are finding when they have given degree Celsius and they are asking Kelvin, then we will use this relation. Is it okay?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Ask.
But you told that, sir, but you told that 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 300 and, oh, sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
That is used.
Okay, sir. Okay,
You
sir.
see,
That
Mari,
is,
given 100 degrees Celsius, which is equals to dash Kelvin. Now you see, so Kelvin scale is equals to what? Degree Celsius
Kel-
plus 273. Is it yes or no, Mari? So now
yes, sir.
degree Celsius given is equals to how much? 100 plus 273. So which is equals to how much? 100 plus 273. How much, Kaushik? 100 rupees plus 273 rupees.
323.
Understanding. So 373.
373. Sorry, sir.
So 373 Kelvin scale is equals to how many degrees Celsius? How many degrees?
373 degrees Celsius.
How many degrees Celsius I am asking? 100 degrees Celsius. Understanding?
100 degrees Celsius.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
what you remember. Okay, wa? Clear? Note it down, all of you. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
already on that, correct or not? So now,
Yes,
this is
sir.
so now let us go for Formula 2. Formula 2. When we will use this formula means when they have given temperature is in Kelvin and need to convert it into which one, Ra? Into degrees Celsius.
Fahrenheit.
Degrees. Okay, Mari? Degrees
Yes,
Celsius.
sir.
Okay. And you remember, Mari,
Yes, sir.
definitely Kelvin scale, we cannot convert it to Fahrenheit. We don't have a direct relation. Is it okay, Mari?
Yes, sir. We want to first convert it into
I will
Celsius,
explain
then
with
we
Mari.
want to convert.
You see. So they have given, for example, they have given 295 Kelvin, which is equals to example 1. Example 1, which is equals to dash degree Celsius means reverse relation will come now. So we want degree Celsius. So degree Celsius is equals to, understanding? Degree Kelvin, Kelvin minus 273, that's all. Understanding? Kelvin minus we have to do. Understanding? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
K
Yes,
minus
sir.
270, that's all. So now add it. Do it, all of you. K, how much given K? Degree Kelvin, how much? Sorry, degree not Kelvin, how much? 295
295 minus
So
270. Yes,
so
sir.
much? Do subtraction, tell me, Kaushik. 295 minus 273. So 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 7,
22, sir. 22. 22.
equals to 22 degrees,
22, sir.
which is equals to how many kelvins? 295 kelvins. Understanding, Mari, Hari, Kaushik?
Yes, sir.
This is what the relation. So we have to use this relation. This is what the formula 2. Degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin minus 273. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, okay, sir.
2 formulas over. Next.
Sir,
Yeah.
screen up, sir.
Okay.
1 minute, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. That's all, sir.
Now, let us go for next. So this is what the relationship between degree Celsius and Kelvin scale. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
So next, second
Yes, sir.
one. Relationship between degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. What is that? Degree Celsius.
Degree
and
Celsius.
Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. Now you see, when they have given, use remember, first case 1. when the given temperature is in degree Celsius and need to convert into degree Fahrenheit. Is it okay, Mari? Hari?
Yes, sir.
So now, what is the thing? First, who will come? Degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius? Degree Fahrenheit will come because we want to convert it into that. Correct or not? Which is equals to
Yes, sir.
9/5 into degree Celsius plus 32. What is that? Plus 32.
Plus 20.
This is what you should do it. Okay. So already we have solved.
Yes,
Understanding this one. So now suppose, for example, our human body temperature is how much? Our human body temperature, for example.
Sir, in Celsius scale, it is
Yeah, Celsius.
37 degrees Celsius.
Example, 37 degrees Celsius is the given temperature. Is it okay, Ra? So now we want
Yes, sir.
is equals to dash degree Fahrenheit.
98.6, sir.
We have already
98.6.
solved this, correct or not?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? So that is. So
Yes,
please tell
sir.
me. So what you have done? 98.6.
First-
So how much will come? So you please check it.
Fi-
So how to do it? Which is equals to degree Fahrenheit equals to 9/5 into 37 degrees plus 32. Is it yes or no? Yes. So now,
Yes, yes, sir.
can I say simple method, Mari? Suppose you see, you can get cancel 5 ones are like that. That is also one method. I will say like this, you see. So I will divide 5 and 37. So 37, so 5. So 5 6 are 5 7s are 5 7s are 35. Understanding? Divide by 2 will be remaining. So I can keep here point, I can keep 0 here. Understanding? 5 4s are how much, Ra? 5 4s are 20, which is equals to 7.4. So 9 into 7.4 means 5 ones are 5 7.4s are. Understanding? Plus 32. So now
Yes, sir.
9 into 7.4. Hurry, at least now you tell me the calculation correctly. Last class you have said wrong. 9 into 7.4. So just imagine multiplication, Kaushik. So 9 4s are 36. 9 7s are 60. 56.
66.6.
How much it is? 63. Is it yes or no? So which is equals to 6, 6 and
Yes, sir.
6. So one digit before you can give decimal, which is equals to 66.6 plus 32. So add this all. So 6 to 8, 3 to 9. So 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to 37 degrees Celsius. Is it yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
this
sir.
one we have solved. R you see, R you can solve simply, Mari. Always you should remember. You want to simplify the formula more easily. Mari, do you want it?
It's okay, sir.
Now you see. So R we can solve like this. You observe very carefully. 9/5 means, observe carefully. So 5, 9. So 5 ones are 5. 3 will be remaining. I can keep 0, so 30. So 5 8 how much, Ra? 30. 5 6 how much?
30.
30. That's all. So I can write the formula degree Fahrenheit equals to 1.6 into degree Celsius plus 32. Now you see, Mari, calculation will be less. 1.6 into 37 plus 32. So please find it. 1.6 into 37.
Sir, this is also one formula, sir.
Not one formula. 9/5 just I am doing a rough work for easy purpose. Understand, Mari? This same
Yes,
formula,
sir.
Mari. Instead of 9/5, I am writing 1.6. Nothing is there, Mari. Understand?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
But here I have done wrong, but you have not told me. 9 minus 5, how much, Mari? 9 minus 5, how much?
Sir, 4.
4.
4, sir.
Why you are not saying? So that 5 8 will come. Understanding? 5 8 40. So here how much it will come? How much it will come? 1.8. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Somebody is shouting. Kaushika, I think Harish. So this is 1.8. Understand, Ra, Mari? when I'm saying few times
Yes, sir.
calculation mistake, you have to identify, man. 9 minus 4, 4. And 9 minus 5, 4. So point you can keep 0. So 9, 8, 5, 8 ja, 40. So that 0 will come. So that which is equals to what? 1.8. So now degree Fahrenheit equals to, multiply now. 1.8 into 37. How much, Ra? Do fast. 1.8 into 37. This much time. 1.8 into 37. So forget about the decimal, you multiply. 7 8 ja, how much? 7 8 ja. 7 8 ja.
54, 56, 56.
56. So 6 will be here,
56.
5 will be here. 7 1 ja 7. 7 plus 5. 12. Is it yes or no? Next. Yes, Ray. Next. 8 3s are 24. Understanding? 4 will come. 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 2 5. That's all.
Yes,
This
sir.
is. So 6 4 2
Six.
6.
66.6.
Yeah,
66.
again we'll get 66.6.
66.6.
So 66.6 plus 32 if we'll add, which is equals to how much, Ra? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. It
98.6.
is equals to 37 degree Kelvin. Do you understand, Mari? Same thing you got it. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if you feel difficulty to do the division of 9 by 5, then instead of 9 by 5, what I can write? 1.8 into, understanding, degree Celsius plus 32. Is it okay, Mari?
Yes, sir. Then we can write 9 by
These are
8.
the-
9
so
by
that
5
finally I'm
is
writing,
equal
remember,
to 1 by
degree
8,
Fahrenheit.
sir.
Understanding? Degree
1.8,
Celsius. Yeah, degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. I can write, yeah, I will write here. So 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 30, or you can write 1.8 into degree Celsius plus 32. Is it okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
You can write this also. So you will get the answer. Correctly, you will get it. Okay, va? Now,
Yes, sir.
shall we go for reverse checking? Next, Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Shall we do it or not?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start now? Let us check it now. All of you do it. So now, let us go for the reverse relation now. When they have given second formula number 4, I think. Understanding? Formula for
Yes, sir.
degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. What is this? Degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius.
Degree Fahrenheit to
Understand?
degree
So now
Celsius.
you see, reverse relation it is. I can write degree Celsius. Finally, I want degree Celsius. Kaushik. So that should come in LHS side. Do you understanding, Ra? Always right side, left side should come.
Yes, sir.
What you have to find it. So degree Celsius is equals to, I can write degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Understanding? Into 5 divided by 9. This is what you have found it. Yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Now done or not? Now suppose this is what
Yes,
the
sir.
formula while you are converting degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Now suppose example, given degree Fahrenheit is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So let us check now. We have to convert it. How we can do, Mari? Hari, speak, Hari. Degree Celsius is equals to degree Fahrenheit. How much it is? 98.6 minus 32.
98.6 minus 32.
Divided by 5 into 5 divided by 9. So now start solving. 98.6 minus 32. How much? Find it. 98.6 minus 32. Observe carefully. 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. How much, Ra? 6. Understand? 9 minus 3, 6.
Yes, sir.
It is equals to how much? 66.6. Understanding? Into 5
Yes, sir.
divided by 9. Is it yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir. I can understand,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is. So now, all of you find 66.6 into 5. How much it is? 66.6 into 5.
60 is
Multiplication
1.
table. Long term process. 66.5. 66.6 into 5. So you can see very easy. 6 5s are 30. Next. 6 5s are 30. Next. Understanding? 6 5s are again 30. Is
That's
it yes or no?
333.0.
So 333. So what is
333.0.
it before decimal? So which will equals to very nice multiplication it is. Which is
333.0.
equals to how much?
3.
Ra? 333 divided by 9.
33
Is it yes or
divided
no?
by
Is it
9.
equals to degree
Yes,
Celsius?
sir.
Now go for division. Go for division. Understanding? So
Yes, sir.
9 threes are how much? 9 threes are 27. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now observe carefully and tell me. So now 33 minus 27, how much, Kaushik? 33 minus 27, which is equals to, you can take borrow from here. So 13 minus 7, which is equals to 6. So here it will become 2. So 2 minus 2, 0, which is equals to how much, Ra? 6. Yes or no, Mari? So 6,
Yes,
3 will
sir.
come. 3 will come. So 9 sevens are how much? 63. So which is equals to 0. So which is equals to how much, Ra? 37 degrees.
37
which
degrees
is equals to
Celsius.
98 point degree Fahrenheit. Same thing we have done it. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Purinji chapa. Puriyala,
Yes, sir. I can understand, sir.
Yes, sir, I can understand.
Yeah. Now, simple I will do, Mari. Formula I will make it. This formula is a little bit confusing. Correct, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will make it simple. Do you want it simple?
It's okay, sir. This is enough, sir.
No, we will make it simple, Mari. In exam, you can do anything.
Okay, sir.
So, you observe very
Okay, sir.
carefully. So, degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to what we have done? 1.8 into degree Celsius plus 32. We have done it. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, reverse I can do. Plus 32 will come this side. What will become, Kaushik? Plus 32 will come this side.
Minus.
Minus. So,
Minus.
degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Understand? Which is equals to 1.8 into degree Celsius. Is it yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Now, we want only degree Celsius. So, 1.8 is in multiplication here. Will come this side. What will become?
Division.
Division. That's all. So, degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8, which is equals to degree Celsius. Do you understanding, Mari? Reverse you can write.
Yes, sir.
That's all. So now you can see if you are getting confusing, sir, 9 by 5 or 5 by 9, I am getting confusing, sir, in exam. So you can do this one. Now you see. So I can write degree Celsius is equals to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. Now shall we verify? Is it coming same or
Sir.
not? No. Shall we verify now? So let me imagine given degree Fahrenheit is which is equals to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Is it okay, Ra? No.
Yes,
verify.
sir.
So degree Celsius is equals to, substitute, tell me, you speak here, I am speaking continuously. Tell me. Degree Fahrenheit, 98
Fahrenheit is equal to
minus 32 divided by 1.8. Is it okay or no, Hari?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me. Just now we have found it. Kaushik, 98.6 minus 32, how much it is? 66.6 divided by 1.8. Is it yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir.
So now, what madam said, Navya ma'am said, if you want to remove the decimal point, what I said, Mari? You have to multiply the maximum number of decimals. What is the maximum number of decimals here? One only, correct?
Multiplication, sir.
Multiplication with 10 and 10, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
it turns into what? 666 divided by 18. Is it true?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
you verify. So 18.
Yes, sir.
18 threes are how much? 18 threes are. 18 threes are. Speak fastly. 18 threes are. 18 threes
Sir,
are.
54. 54.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
54.
Now, 6 minus 4,
Yes, sir.
2. 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1. And I can keep 6 down. So now 18 sevens are. 18 sevens are, you check it. 18 sevens are 126. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, which is equals to how much? 37. So have you got the
Yes.
same answer?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So which one is easy for you, Mari? Whatever it is easy, Hari, that you remember. 4 formulas I will
Yes,
write.
sir.
The 4 formulas I will write.
Sir, screen up, sir. Screen up, sir.
Okay, Mari. Whatever you are convenient, Mari. See,
Sir,
exam,
little
we
bit,
want
sir.
to follow particular one thing, Mari. So whichever it is
Yes.
convenient for you, Hari, that you can follow. Nobody will stop you. Understanding? You no need to follow
Yes, sir.
always
Yes, sir.
9 by 5 or 1 9 by, sir. Always confusing, sir. 9 by 5 or 5 by 9. So many will get confused. Correct or not that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So to avoid that confusion, if you want, you can follow this. No issues. Okay. So I will write
Okay,
here.
sir. Sir, little bit
Ah.
up, sir.
Formulas, Mari.
I-
Here I will write the formula. Okay. Now you see.
Yes, sir.
A box you can keep note and you can write.
Yes, sir.
Degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Two formulas will come. What is that? You speak, I won't speak. Degree Fahrenheit equals to
Degree
9 by 5
Fahrenheit
into degree
is
Celsius
9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32, sir.
are
Another one formula is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 into degree Celsius plus
plus
32, sir.
Understand, Kaushik? Next, degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius.
Yes, sir.
Hari, you tell me now. Degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. What is the formula? So degree Celsius is equals to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. Is it yes or no, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Now R I can write. What I can write? Speaker. Degree Celsius is equals to F minus 32 divided by 1.8. Both are correct. So which is easy for you, you remember that. Okay, I won't say any objection.
Yes, sir.
But
32
exam
minutes,
also, if
sir.
it is anything, Mari, there is no restriction. I am saying you.
Yes, sir.
So that this is all about it. Now we have found till now we have studied that.
Sir,
I will show you. I will show you. Come on, do it. Do it. Now in our book, is there any exercise, Mari, like conversion? If anything there, you give me. We will solve.
no, sir, there is no conversion exercise, sir. Only they give
Okay.
example
Is they
from
have
sir.
given only Celsius and Fahrenheit or else Kelvin also?
Sir, Kelvin only one conversion only, sir. They give.
That is only degree Celsius to degree Kelvin scale, correct or not? Degree Celsius
Yes,
to
sir.
Kelvin scale. Adding plus 273, correct?
Yes, sir.
Kelvin to Celsius minus 273. Celsius to Kelvin plus 273. That's all. Okay. Now you see.
Yes, sir.
So now, till now we have studied that. Now we know for totally 4 formulas. One is converting degree Celsius to Kelvin, as well as understanding same way, as well as the Kelvin to degree Celsius. Same way, if you'll observe, as we know degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, and as well as same way degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Is it true or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
you may observe here in the both the things. Let us
Yes, sir.
imagine this is the first one and this is the second one. So in the both one is common. What is that? Can you able to say? One temperature scale is common.
Celsius, sir.
Celsius scale. Now, let us imagine, suppose, for example, you 3 fellows are there. Let us imagine degree Celsius is Kaushik. Understand? Now,
Yes,
next degree Fahrenheit is Hari, and Amari is Kelvin scale. Now you know, see, I know the relationship between Kaushik and Kelvin, and as well as Mari and Kaushik. Same way. Next, Kaushik and Hari is also having relation, and as well as same relation Hari and Kaushik is having. But there is no relation, between degree Fahrenheit and the Kelvin scale. Do you understanding? Here no relation.
Yes, sir.
So in this situation, how to find, sir? Suppose I have given degree Fahrenheit. I want degree Fahrenheit, and I'm asking final answer should be in degree Kelvin. So then how to find, sir? Means very simple. So shall we start it now? Shall we start? Example C.
Yes, sir.
How to convert degree Fahrenheit to Kelvin scale? Understanding, Ra? Now.
Yes, sir. First you want to convert it into Celsius. sir.
Understand? So first step one. Step one, we should convert. Step one, we have to convert. Understanding? Step one, we have to convert what? We have to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Later step two, degree Celsius to Kelvin scale. Is it okay, Ra? So
Yes, sir. Okay.
now as we know that already we have solved. For example, directly I am saying you. So suppose imagine I have given 98.6 Fahrenheit. 98.6 Fahrenheit. Give an example I am saying. So example equals to 98.6 Fahrenheit, which is equals to dash Kelvin. That is what I am asking. So now you please tell me. Just now we have solved 98.6 Fahrenheit equals how many degrees Celsius? Ra? Mari, Hari, Kaushik. Just now we have already
Sir,
solved.
37 degrees
Now,
Celsius.
just now we solved, understanding, in above. You check it above. So above you have already solved. Is it yes or no? Here, where it is there here. Have you seen it? 37 degrees Celsius. Have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Hurry. The same thing we are using here directly. Understand? In the above reaction, sorry, in the above case already we have solved. So that I am directly taking value. If not exam, you have to solve it. Understand, Ray?
Yes, sir.
That is. So now, let us see Mari. So 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to, we know, understanding, we know 37 degrees Celsius. Now, we want it to convert it into Kelvin scale. So how much we have to, what we have to do, Ra? Let me see who will say, Hari, Mari, or Kaushik. So now Celsius I have converted.
Sir, add.
Converted.
Add,
What I have
sir.
to do now?
Add.
Kelvin scale equals to degree Celsius plus 273. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is
Add, sir.
So now you tell me. So Kelvin scale is equals to
Sir,
37.
we should add by 273.
That's all. So add it now and tell me how much. 7 plus 3, 10. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. And 3. How much it is?
310, sir. Yes, sir.
So which is equals to how many degree Fahrenheit? How many degree Fahrenheit?
398.6 degree Fahrenheit.
Degree Fahrenheit. Do you understand? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So now, shall we need to solve any other example which will both the steps will follow? Is it okay, da?
Yes, sir.
So that you will never get confusion. Okay, va? So now,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
now, shall we start? Mari?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, let us check very carefully. Degree Fahrenheit. 1 minute, I am finding relation also. Just wait, Mari. My mind is thinking something. Wait.
Yes.
3110 divided by 5. 62 is coming. Not wrong. So 3110 degree Fahrenheit. 1 minute, Mari. I will verify. K minus 273 divided by 5, which is equals to degree Celsius. Mari, K minus 273, 37. K
Yes,
minus
sir.
273 means K equals to now 310 minus 273, 37 divided by 5. What? Okay, let it be. Now, shall we start, Mari? Another thing we will solve it. So, let us go with something. Example 2. Example 2. So, now, how much temperature you want? You take, let us, whatever you want to take it. You tell me. How much you need? Shall we take now around 70? Shall we check it as 70 degree Fahrenheit? Shall we check it?
Yes, sir.
So which is equals to dash Kelvin. So this is. So now let us go for it. So observe carefully. So 70 degree Fahrenheit. First we have to convert it into what? Degree Celsius. Later degree Celsius is equals to Kelvin scale. So now step 1, solve it all of you. What we have to do, Mari? Fastly should speak. So degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Which relation? Degree Fahrenheit
Is equal to, sir.
which is equals to
Celsius.
Degree Celsius is equals to 9 by 5 into
9 by 5
9 by 5 or
into
9, check it. 9 by 5
1.8.
1.8. Reverse ra.
1.8.
Hey Mari, it is reverse. Check it. Fahrenheit given Fahrenheit, Mari.
1.8.
Wrong. F minus 32 divided by 1.8. We are converting degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, ra. Correct? Mari,
Yes, sir.
yeah, 70 minus 32 divided by 1.8. So do it now. 70 minus 32, how much? 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. How much it is? How much, Ray?
Sir, 38.
38
38.
divided by 1.8. So I can multiply both numerator and denominator with the 10. So which is equals to 380 divided by 18. So all of you do division and tell me how much it is. 380 divided by 18. So you can do it. So 2 9s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 290. So 290 divided by 9. Solve it. So how much it will come? So 290. So 9 3s are 27. Understanding? So 2 will come 0. So 9 2s are 18. So 2 will come, it will never end, which is equals to, again you can keep 0 point, you can keep 0.
The point
So again,
is 0.
understanding? So 18 will come. So again it will continuous, never it will go. So that 32.2. Do you understand, Mari? So degree Celsius, which is equals to
Yes, sir.
32.2.
32.2.
So I can write 70 degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to 32.2 degrees Celsius. But we want answer is it answer is n? Not it. Correct or not? We want to convert
No,
it into sorry, Kelvin scale. So now 32.2 degrees Celsius, which is
The
equals
screen
to
down.
dash Kelvin scale. So what we should do? I won't speak. You tell me. So say Celsius to Kelvin scale. What we have to do? So Kelvin by 1. Kelvin is equals to what? Degree Celsius plus.
Plus 273.
Add it and tell me. 32.2. Hari. Plus 273. How much, Hari? 273 plus 32.2. So you can give point here. Addition should be perfectly.
595. 59.5.
7 plus 3.
59.5.
1 will come here 3. So how much it is? How much? 305.3 Kelvin, which is equals to 70 degree Fahrenheit. Is it yes or no, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Addition don't know. Here you see decimal point should come always like this. So many 130 understanding. So 1 will come here. 32.2 like this you should write. So 0 plus 2 2.
Okay.
Understanding? 3 2 5. 7 plus 3 10. 1 will come here. Next 2 and 3. So 1 digit decimal only. 305.2. Is it okay, da?
Yes, sir. Sir, screen.
So like yeah, like this you should find. Now reverse, Mari. Reverse they are asking. Suppose you see Kelvin scale to degree Fahrenheit. How you need to do first? Kelvin scale to degree Fahrenheit. What you have to do first? Kelvin scale must converting into degree Celsius. Later degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Do you understand, Ra? Not speaking, Mari.
Sir, yes, sir.
That is what reverse also can able to do it or not now.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Now I think meeting is going to end. Now I will give some unit conversion. Let me see who will do fastly. So you tell me. So I am giving you okay. Let us discuss. 283 Kelvin, which is equals to dash degree Fahrenheit. Do it. Dash degree Fahrenheit. Mari. Let me see who will.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Hurry. First Kelvin to degree Celsius. Step 1.
Yes, sir. Then,
Subtract, sir.
Celsius to Fahrenheit.
Yeah, step 1. So 283 Kelvin means degree Celsius is equals to 283 minus 273. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
283 minus 273.
So which is equals to how much? 10 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 283 Kelvin. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
No. Degree Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius to dash degree Fahrenheit.
10
I can write. So degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Tell me what is the formula?
1.958
into degree Celsius.
9.5 into degree Celsius plus 32.
Or you can take 1.8 also. 1.8 into degree Celsius plus 32. Understanding? So now 1.8 into C how much? 1.8 into C means 10 plus 32. So 1.8 into 10 how much? 18 plus 32. So which is equals how much? 18 and 32. Kaushik. 8 plus 2 10. 1 will come here. 4. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. Which is equals how much? 50 degree Fahrenheit. Do you understand, Mari?
Yes, sir.
I got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
So I can say